Hey guys. Oh my god. Well, happy July the 4th, but I just felt a tiny earthquake. Like, I was just sitting down and, like, I was moving all around. You see, that lamp is also moving. Whoa, over 30 aftershocks. Whoa, whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Well, 6.4?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a yikes. Lol. Yeah, I mean, it was like 10 a.m. when I got up, and I felt the same. Like, when I woke up, I was just playing on my iPad, and then this lamp was shaking.
Wow, you saw that?
Yes, I did. I actually did. Like, I was sitting there, and I felt. Yeah.
These are the aftershocks.
Whoa.
The main one happened last night at 8:30 p.m.
Yeah, we don't.
That was a 6.4 earthquake, folks. So, I've been putting this evening's stuff in the closet as I've been deciding through the days. Of course, I've been waiting for throughout the process, especially last Sunday when we're having like long adventures when we had a chance to get a Bowser t-shirt, especially the day before when we did some other apparel shopping at like Macy's and stuff. So, since tomorrow is the day that I'm going to drop my mom off to the airport, and from tomorrow I'm going to spend 1 week without my mom, we're going to be going to San Diego at the beginning of the following week for 1 or 2 nights before my mom comes back. Well, I mean, although we picked Arizona as a decision to start with, it turned out that there's not much to do, and the biggest struggle to deal with, which I'm not used to at all, is the climate. I mean, you might be used to it if you've been to Arizona like 500 times, or if you live there, but I have never been there. So we decided to change our mind. We're going to San Diego instead. Well, guys, we just had a really, really late breakfast. Like, it's now 1:15, and we have been talking through the date that we're going to be going to the hotel. It is Monday night, and we're going to be staying there for only 1 night. Because we have worked out that usually Mondays are cheaper than any other day of the week. Oh wow. It's locked? Huh. Okay. Okay. Can? Or the door key. Alright. Now we're gonna go out to have some snacks because I mean it's pretty late. We haven't moved out yet. I had late breakfast. Pretty late. Yeah. Oh, thanks. Shoving where?
Somewhere that we've never been to.
Never.
Maybe once, I'm not sure.
So, it's still kind of new, like I never been used to.
That's true.
Oh, okay.
Let me tell you the name and tell me if it rings any bells and whistles. The store name is TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx.
Have you been there?
Nope.
I've not been.
No, that seems brand new for me.
So on the way back, our destination will be
TJ Maxx. Hi.
Yo.
Oh. Whoa. Yeah, we're going in and out now. For now. Oh, we're gonna have the cake out there.
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, well, who knows? Who knows anyway? because we're gonna have the cake in some time anyway. Under this umbrella.
Okay.
Are we gonna have the cake out there, sir?
Huh?
Are we gonna have the cake out there?
Yes, we will have.
All right, here we go. Here we go. I know it's coming up. Well, he's doing it himself.
Yes,
I've never done it myself.
Okay, happy birthday.
I never.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said happy birthday to me in April too. Yeah, dude.
Very good job you did, Hakan.
And me too.
You did too. Yes, you did too.
Yeah.
Please.
Well, I had a dinosaur cake back in April.
This looks nice.
Mhm. Okay, well, there's already been some chairs put out. Because obviously, there's others in the neighborhood that are going to watch the fireworks from their houses, but we're going to do it from the zone we normally watch it at, which is nowhere even near our houses. I mean, these ones in the neighborhood, but let me take it and look down again. As of from this moment, there are some funny shows of guys riding a motorbike on a television, which I was watching like 5 minutes ago, and now I'm going to go back to that. There we go. I can already hear the crowd gather. Looks like the first people are coming out. Like there's only a thin part of a moon, like 10%. Alright, so he's just taking a picture.
Let's check in for the familiar.
Whoa. Take that picture, mate. Alright, now they're doing it at the other side. Whoa, we have so many bugs at the moment right now. But I'm hoping that they'll go away when it starts for real. There we go. That was a bit loud. Some of them are gonna get a bit louder. Some of them are gonna get a bit louder in a minute. Sometimes it just comes like a lightning bolt. Wait, when you see a thunderstorm in the sky with heavy rain, and like when you're playing games and get distracted by a big lightning of thunder.
Looks nice.
Oof. Oh! That's gonna be as lit. Holy moly. Wait, is that like Saturn or something? Oh. Did you just spring down or something? Jeez, these bugs are freaking annoying me. Is that a bird squeaking around? Oh no, that's a couple. Or oh, that's three. That's three. Oh, that's a serious one.
That's the big one.
Wait, is that? These bugs are continuing. Oh, too serious. Dear God. Uh-oh. Oops.
What's going on? Oh, God bless. Oh! Too serious. Uh-oh. Oh, man. I'm waiting for my parents now. So we just watched the fireworks. It was fun. That was really fun. I just had to walk all the way up that hill really fast. We're back to our house now. So it is 11:05 p.m. now. It's getting pretty late. So I'm gonna have to end this video here, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the day. I'll see you tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna be dropping my mom off at the airport and sometime in the video. A wonderful day.